This tutorial will help you practice for the Ohio State Cosmetology Licensing Exam. This tutorial covers the Chemical Virgin Relaxer procedure. Please note Ohio State Cosmetology and Barber Board does not recommend or endorse any products including this video. Before you begin, the following instructions will be read. You will now perform the Virgin Relaxer portion of this exam. In the left front section of the head, you will apply Virgin Relaxer application. You will be instructed by an examiner to demonstrate smoothing. This procedure is 10 minutes. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining in this procedure, and then they will tell you when to begin. Before you start, make sure that you have your gloves on. Make sure your draping is still correct. Towel, cape, towel. You will again use your mock product, and the first thing you will do is apply the protective cream. There's my clean brush. Make sure you're using a clean brush in each procedure so that you will get the cleanest results possible. So using toothpaste again, that is labeled mock protective cream. You apply the protective cream around the hairline, never inside the hair. So this will complete the barrier cream around the head. I did not apply it under the weaving. It is not a task line in the weaving. When you do this procedure, you will part subsections that are 1/4 of an inch wide, which is about the width of a pencil. So again, with the relaxer procedure, this is not on the scalp. The relaxer product is applied 1/4 to 1/2 inch away from the scalp, and it is applied up to 1 inch away from the ends because those ends would be considered porous. It's important that you check and make sure that all of the hair is saturated in this area. So if you have any areas that are not saturated, go back and reapply any place that is necessary. You will continue applying in the same method throughout the rest of this section. I speeded this up so that you can see the final product at the end, where we will demonstrate smoothing when the examiner comes over. So an examiner will come to you and ask you to demonstrate smoothing, and I will demonstrate that in just a minute. Make sure that throughout this process you are maintaining a clean area. Make sure there's nothing on the skin, nothing on the scalp, and your towel and cape should remain clean. If they get anything on them, clean that off right away. You'll notice it kind of appears that I'm smoothing as I apply, but I'm also ensuring that the product is completely saturating the hair. Also notice that I'm not smashing these together. The sections remain independent. If you'll notice at the bottom under there, there's a little tiny piece of hair that I missed. I had moved it from the previous section and didn't see it. At this point, an examiner will come to you and have you demonstrate smoothing. You will pull down one of your last sections, smooth all the way through the ends, and drop it. Now you have completed all of the hair room procedures. Pack all of your supplies that you brought, including what is in your 2 trash cans and your Marcel curling iron. Congratulations! I wish you the best of luck.